Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I filmed this winter snowflake inspired look. If you'd like to see how I achieved this, then please continue watching. And to prep my eyes, I'll be taking the P. Louise base in the shade Rimmer 0.5 and I'll be patting that all over my lid. And now I'll be taking the James Charles X Morphe palette and I'm going to dip into the blue shade and mix it with the white just to lighten it, and then I'm going to start packing that and blending into my crease. And now taking a smaller, denser brush, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to dip into both of the blue shades and I'm going to start packing that into my crease, but I'm only going to keep it into my crease area. And I'll be taking the same P. Louise base and I'm going to go ahead and start stamping out my half cut crease. And once that is cut, I'm going to go ahead and start blending into the outer portion of the lid. And I'm going to take that same brush and the same blue shade, and I'm going to just start slowly blending that into the white. And now I'll be picking up a flat brush, and I'm going to dip into Il Maquillage Mineral Baked Eyeshadow in the shade Whitney. And this is kind of just like a shimmery blue, so I'm going to go ahead and place that in the center of portion of my crease. And now I'll be taking Sugar Pills eyeshadow in the shade Taco, and I'm going to go ahead and place that on the rest of my lid. And now for the cheek portion, I went ahead and mixed some of the Wet n Wild blue paint and the white paint, and I went ahead and placed that in the apples of my cheeks. And now that I blended out the paint, I'm going to go ahead and take the same palette and the same shades, and I'm going to go ahead and set it. Okay, so my camera ended up dying on the snowflake part, but I made this a lot harder than I needed to. I ended up free drawing and spending 45 minutes on each snowflake on my cheek, when I could have just placed the sticker down and then put the paint over it, which I ended up doing on my chest anyway. But hey, a hard lesson learned, and I guess I can draw a snowflake. So if you do this look, make sure you put the snowflake down and then the paint. And taking that white paint on a little liner brush, and I'm going to go ahead and draw little freckles / snow all over my cheek and nose area. And this look is inspired by McDrew. She did it was like the Playboy filter, but she did the pumpkin one, and she did orange, and she did little freckles and all that. So this is inspired by her. I saw her look and I knew winter was coming, so I was like, I want to do a winter inspired one. So shout out to her for this super cute idea. And now I'll be applying some mascara and Moxie lashes in the style Baddy. And for my lips, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty Unbutton, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it with a little bit of brown to create a cool undertone. Now I'll be taking ColourPop Flexitarian Highlighter and placing that into my inner corner. And then I'll be taking ColourPop Disco Lady, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that in my inner corner as well. This is kind of a chunkier glitter, and I'm also going to add a blue glitter on top of that. And now I'll be taking the same palette and the same blue shade on a bigger brush, and I'm going to go ahead and start placing that all over the snowflake so we can get a good negative print. And now I'll be taking the Wet n Wild paint palette, and I'm going to dip into the blue shades and start blending that around the snowflakes. And I was going for kind of like a snowy background. Usually when it snows where I live, it's like purpley and blue, so that's what I'm going for. And I took all the same shades on a fluffier brush from the palette, and I went ahead and went over the blue and the purple shades. And to fill in the snowflake, I went ahead and used Wet n Wild's white paint pot. taking the white paint on a liner brush, and I'm going to go ahead and make little dots all around the snowflakes. Now I'll be picking up El Maquillage Baked Eyeshadow in the shade Whitney, and I'm going to go ahead and take that blue and kind of scatter it throughout the snowflakes. Alright guys, and that completes this winter snowflake inspired look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to McDrew for the inspiration on the cheeks. I really love how this look came out. Any makeup product I use will be in my description below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Rosa X Robles. And please turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.